Okay, we're live with the Case Handler. My name is David Squeezaniki, and I'm here. He's saying that I look like a farmer this morning. I don't know what he's talking about, but welcome to Cruising with the Case Handler here on 93.5 FM. Just gave you something from Taurus Riley. Adam Handler, the personal injury attorney. Just like everybody else, he's always saying, Squeeze, play some music. Adam, a pleasant good morning. Don't ask where I am. What's up?
Good morning, my brother. Thank you. We love the music in the morning. You always say, come for the entertainment, stay for the information. So I like giving them what they want. And you do look like a farmer. Anybody out there right now that can go safely do so, go on David Squeezaniki's Facebook page or Link Up's Facebook page or the Case Handler's Facebook page, and you can log on right now and see this live streaming. And what I'm seeing right now is a man sitting at a table, a wood table, wearing a plaid shirt
Right.
with a gray beard. You did not have a gray beard 15 years ago when we started this. You
Well, you
realize that,
just
right?
said 15 years ago.
Right? You were probably younger than me 15 years ago.
Yeah.
Think of it. Yeah? Well, I'm 42.
It's just a beard that's gray, though. That's all.
All right.
That's great.
You got to talk to Claude Frazier. He's got that just for men,
Just for men, right?
Yeah, just for
Hey,
squeeze.
listen,
So good morning, brother.
I think I think it has made me very distinguished. That's what I think.
Well, whatever you're doing it the right way because you've got a wonderful family and a wonderful life. So props to you and keep it up.
That's what it's all about, man. Yeah, I'm in Greenwich, Connecticut, man. I had to take my daughter to school yesterday and so forth and so forth. And I'm here. No, it's not that I'm running away from any coronavirus or anything like that. Very sad with what's going on, man. But I do believe that we'll definitely get through this. It will get worse before it gets better, but we're hoping that everything comes together and we can pull through this because it's something that we all need to pull through with.
Absolutely. As long as everybody's taking even any precaution, wash your hands, use sanitizer, don't cough on somebody. These are things that you can prevent any kind of flu. But yeah, it's scary, but we get through it. But you know what? Scary times, usually there's a solution. And I like to think that I'm a solution in a scary time. If you're ever in an accident, that's scary. You never wake up in the morning and say, hey, listen, I'm going to get into that car accident, or I'm going to trip and fall on the sidewalk, or I'm going to be on that construction site and that scaffolding's going to collapse, or I'm going to fall off the ladder, or a sledgehammer is going to fall on top of me, like we talked about last week. But accidents happen, things happen, and as long as as long as you got that number saved, when it's you're safely able to do so, give me a call. We'll walk you through it, and we'll do whatever we can to make sure that you get full compensation for your time out of work, your medical bills, and your pain and suffering. So keep the number, save the number, lock it in, and hopefully you never need it, but God forbid you do. We are here for you, and you should know that by now. Over 15 years on this radio station with many, 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 many successful results, you should know that you can count on the Case Handler team.
Absolutely. 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 Once again, folks, we're cruising with a Case Handler. Let me remind everybody, he is a personal injury attorney. He's the most celebrated personal injury attorney in the community, dubbed by yours truly, David Squeezaniki, and all the people that he has helped. He has sought millions of dollars in settlement. Okay. And ladies and gentlemen, I want him to speak this morning at 6 minutes here before the hour, but I want for everybody to save the number. My job is to have that big mouth. My job is to ensure that you get the number. Adam will say, you gotta let them have the number. You gotta let them have the number, not a problem. Have the number, ladies and gentlemen. If you get injured, like he said, in an automobile accident, slip and fall, medical malpractice, ladies and gentlemen, construction accident, you need to have the best attorney, in my opinion. I can say that, working for you. And when you have Adam Handler, you rest assured that he's going after the insurance company and whomever for the maximum amount of compensation. With that said, save this number. Here's the number. The number is 844-774-3529. Dial this number, 844-774-3529. Every single person that's listening right now, dial the number and save it. It's 844-774-3529. That is 844-774-3529. Make the call right now. Dial the number, let it ring about 15-20 seconds. This way Adam can see the number coming up on his phone, and Adam, your attorney, can know that you're actually saving his number. God forbid you get into an accident and you need him. Once again, the number is 844, dial it now, 774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. You know, Adam, quickly, all right, before we get to the top of the hour.
Yeah.
I was watching something recently on television. I didn't know that you could actually sue a doctor for not actually starting your treatment quickly enough if you have a terminal ill disease or a sickness. I didn't know that you could do that.
Well, listen, I mean, there's no single cause of action in which you can bring a medical negligence case. So essentially what you have to do is you have to prove that the doctor or the medical provider deviated from the standard of care. Now, that sounds like a complex requirement, and it is. You basically have to show that this doctor did or didn't do something that no reasonable doctor would do within the medical community. So, you know, a misdiagnosis is not always malpractice if they didn't know what they should be looking for. But if there's certainly a situation in which you test positive or you show indications of a certain condition, and that doctor delays in that delays in that diagnosis and delays in that treatment, you absolutely have a cause of action. Sometimes, you know, you lose your chance of living because of that delay. You know, if they had started the treatment a month sooner, your chances of surviving it could be up 80%, and that's really, you know, that's really up for experts to decide. And those, like I said, are complex cases. You know, medical malpractice cases on generally rule in favor of the doctors, but there are situations in which there's egregious deviations from that standard, and that's our job to make sure that you know, we protect you and your family if, God forbid, you ever are the victim of such terrible maltreatment.
Not a problem. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I am here with Adam Handler. I want, once again, everyone to understand that when you get into an accident, it's extremely important that you have the proper representation. I have seen Adam Handler fought for many people within this community. Okay. I've seen people cry tears. You know, I have seen people be so happy. People text him every day telling him thanks. And feel free, ladies and gentlemen, to go to the casehandler.com, the website. Go to the casehandler.com and actually take a look at case results. Look at all the cases. From time to time, I go there and I pull it up on the screen. Okay. You need to actually go to the casehandler.com and take a look at the case results. Take a look at everything that he has done. $100 million plus. And I'm not talking about Jamaican dollars. I'm talking about the good old US greenbacks. You all know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about that green stuff that puts a smile on your face. It eases the pain a little of the suffering that you went through. Okay. It makes life a little bit easier after you've gone through that suffering of that accident. Ladies and gentlemen, store the number. The number for Adam Handler, your case handler, is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Call him now and say hi to him. Okay. 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Adam? Adam? I think he froze. He probably hit that dead spot, did he? We must remind you that prior results do not guarantee similar outcome, and this has been an attorney advertisement. Okay. Did you hit that dead spot, man?
Not only am I hitting, not only did I hit the spot, I got stuck in traffic in it. So I'm moving now.
Okay. All right. Once again, folks, prior results do not guarantee a similar outcome. This has been an attorney advertisement. Thank you so much, Adam, for checking in with us. We're going to the top of the hour. We'll catch up with you in a few. All right.